Okay, so for this assignment, I turned what was a simple math assignment into a flipped lesson. And rather than just having the kids look stuff up in an atlas or me explain all the instructions up here, I made an instructional video to teach them how to find specific things in their map and add it to it. And what that does is allows me time to move around and work with individual kids that aren't quite getting what they're supposed to do or don't understand like certain geographical features, and I can work one-on-one with them rather than me just sitting up here talking from the entire class. The kids that get stuff really quick still get it, but it frees me up to move around, gives me more time to work one-on-one with kids.
How is it that how do they know what to do next? Okay, instead of saying, what do I do now? What do I do now?
So in the video, there's step-by-step instructions. Do this part here. Add this feature to your map. And then the next step, come and get it checked by me when you're finished.
Okay. And when they get it checked and they're done before everybody else is done, what's the process after that?
So if they finish early?
Right.
Well, sometimes there's another assignment to work on. So
okay.
The kids that are kind of above can work ahead.
Okay.
And get to the next step in our unit of what we're working on.
Okay. How much time does it take you to create a video?
So with using the Siri on the iPad, it actually is incredibly quick. I made one this morning in 10 minutes.
Okay. What about those people that don't have iPads?
Other options out there. There are a variety of softwares out there that can be utilized to make video.
Okay. And even videotaping yourself on the Promethean board, on capturing the screen, and so on and so forth, you can do that as well. All right. Has it helped your scores?
Yeah. So my last 9 weeks, I was a little worried because I was out for 3 weeks on maternity leave, and my kids outperformed any 9 weeks test last year on this first 9 weeks test. My average was 83%, which I was incredibly impressed with. And I really attribute that to flipping because I'm able to convey key concepts to kids in a much more effective way.
Okay.
Rather than me just sitting up here and doing direct instruction for those key concepts, I can give the direct instruction via video with visual aids that go with it. And that really helps the kids pick that stuff up quicker.
Right.
They have to add that stuff to notes and then to assignments, and then it allows you more time to move into the higher level thinking exercises.
Okay, and how does this help students who don't necessarily get it the first time?
So the kids that get it the first time, they've got it, and the kids that don't can then ask me for help, and I can work with them one-on-one, and rather than sitting there for the entire class period saying this has gone over my head and I've zoned out, or I'm disrupting others now because I don't understand what's going on.
Right, and then it also allows them to go back and re-watch the
right.
video
They can
as
do
well.
it multiple times. You can get this, or specifically I'll see that in an assignment. It's like, I don't understand this part of the assignment. Okay, you need to go back to minute 3 of the video and re-watch that next 2 minutes from there, and that'll help you explain it.
Awesome.
One went north, basically between the rivers up this way, and out here to Turkey and to a coastal port on the Mediterranean Sea. And the southern route went this way and roughly kind of comes out in Israel.
All right, well, thank you for your time.
You bet.